My God, now leave out me.
We make 500 funeral like digital text. Darkness cause we heartless.
Yeah, what style man for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God Skeleton then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean I say yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Wagwan viewers and subscribers from your device, you know it's a boy Soji TV Entertainment with the next review, you know. I say yo, viewers and subscribers, who remember zizi from the 6? Yes man, me like a 6 bars drop a single with the artist and now you see me, so they have a single title now mates them. And viewers and subscribers, making half hour me a year. It sound like a things we are going recently them a sing about, you see me, because a whole heap of happenings are going. You see me, since recently, a whole heap of talk about the 6 bars and etc. You see me, that different. Me never talk that same way, but me I say yes, viewers and subscribers. Me like the song where they drop together. Yeah man, me like how a concept I me like where them a show about with audience. You see me can feel the energy, and the energy where me I feel is like, you see me, never no give up on them type of feeling there. You see me, hold on strong. Me also I go make you guys listen quada do a freestyle up audio max same way, you know, because you don't know Soji TV Entertainment out here. Me I say yo, 6 bars. Yes man, me like oh yeah, go and do your thing same way, stay relevant same way. We not hear nothing boy, you still in about. Me like oh yeah, take time I work with the young artists them and highlight them things same way, because you don't know you're a producer same way, an artist. You see me, so yeah man, me not hear nothing about the 6 them. You want to hear thing about the 6 them, Daddy 1, Bobby 6, Big Fice and them and they Franco Wildlife. Want to hear some more things about them. They not three put out no music for we. You see me? But you don't know the artists, they know what them a do still. Only thing Soji TV Entertainment there. If you do a just send them over artists. Vivo, the artists them Vivo channel and make them know say a Soji TV Entertainment send over there, and also leave on the thoughts, make the artists them know say they need more songs and need more video. You see me? Post and them thing there, so Soji Entertainment can go on with some review and thing. You see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, thanks for sharing, watching, subscribe. It's a pleasure.
On a broke bone, just bust a head chest for your chest. Run your sabi, a dopey we make 500 funeral like digital text. Darkness cause we heartless. Better you marry that one, ya cause you and it not left. Love your baby mother when you 3 points take. She a breed 3 months time, belly slap way. Not 3 everything, wholesale price. 3 murder a man in 3 na the night. 3 million, that a 3 in every type. If I mechanize you, then a 4 and 5. And not 3 people are dead. That don't correct. Put on the 3 0 them calculation 3,000. Same amount of gunman unleash on them. And not 3 ways to die, go choose one. 3 times 3 feet deep burial. You never see the 3 madman. Take on the road like police when after 3 ram. 3 are not the 3 pan land. 3 are dead. Rob your life like 3 card man. You never see the 3 bad man. And me and quada and the next umbrella demon. Wait, brain a upgrade like iOS. Download me lyrics to a thumb drive. Me dark like night in a broad day. More time I irie like sunshine. Take your food like school as lunchtime. Well I stole you for cool when I gun time. Literal death me no mean gun rhyme. Yeah. Me hate people from in a whole nine. Me to roll up in a the civic. Anybody pitch it chat I go turn them in a midget. Laugh and kill them. Hey, gimmicks shot them register gun them legit. Them I wonder if I really me this. Yeah, well bad thugs. Anyway me par with 10 long slug. Tell them don't ramp with it done now. Hey, yeah. We all know we record, right? Hey, audio man. Alright then, me say welcome to the mess. See I'm blind here and deaf. The elders women know live out some decade out of stress. From the mess come the best. Every day my granny fret. White squall lip on her lip and hungry give with bad breath. And as a youth, me try go school for upgrade my intellect. Walk in a class vex because my uniform no press. Oh it up, cause I miss status and me address. Them say quada in a malice with JPS, but me a pass hungry days like literacy test. Cause the people close me see my mother wash and for press. Mount of pressure me go through is like my life a turkey neck. All heap a youth it left my doubt, all heap a girl it left depressed. Welcome to the 876 in the slum. Shot bore man head, every girl a bore tongue. Got your bed cause you with dead, you know I no cool ground. From your body get a gun, go sell your soul or settle down. And we not rap but we love cheese and still can't find the bun. Sing about the ghetto youth where Marcus Garvey say I go come. Run the world and tell we hotter than summer July sun. If I never for reggae, tell me what would I've done. Me said the place we're smaller than every US state. Inflation and the rise and gas price depend the raise. Economical growth and pitney age I move the same. When you brown them say uptown and when you black you get the lane. Same place where Miss Lou and Bob Marley rose to fame. So no matter how me arm might green man I no shame. No matter how much rolling at the zinc when it a rain. As long as me have life, me say me nah go complain. Welcome to the inner city projects. And a constant spring a loan tax collect. My brother them militant like in a cadet. Man a chop more than bush out a machete. And all people a build pen out a pallet. Go pick some hockey before you pick a packet. Whole heap of breadfruit dip on the